love, a poison running through my veins, but I can't break away from these chains. Caught in the trap of a toxic love affair, falling deeper into a whirlwind of despair. But I can't resist the pull of your toxic love. Like a moth to a flame, I can rise above. I know I should walk away, but I can't let go. Addicted to the toxicity that you bestow. A love that's wrong but feels so right. I'm trapped in this eternal night. Caught in the trap of a toxic love affair, falling deeper into a whirlwind of despair. But I can't resist the pull of your toxic love. Like a moth to a flame, I can rise above. Toxic love, the sirens calling the dead of night, but I'll keep coming back for another bite. In the cycle of pain and ecstasy, I'll drown in your toxic love eternally. Caught in the trap of a toxic love affair, falling deeper into a whirlwind of despair. But I can't resist the pull of your toxic love. Like a moth to a flame, I can rise above. Toxic love, the sirens calling the dead of night, but I'll keep coming back for another bite. In the cycle of pain and ecstasy, I'll drown in your toxic love. Toxic love. Toxic love.